Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Power to Edu.
So in this lecture, I'll be discussing to find out the last digit of any power of a given number. For example, if you have given a number 2 to the power 66 and the question is you have to find the last digit of this given number. Okay, so the last digit of any power of a given number, it follows a cyclic pattern. Okay, they repeat after a certain number of steps. For example, 2 to the power 1 will give you 2, 2 to the power 2 will give you 4, 2 to the power 3 will give you 8, 2 to the power 4 will give you 60, 2 to the power 5 will give you 32, 2 to the power 6 will give you 64, 2 to the power 7 will give you what is 64. 64 to the 128, to the power 8 will give you 256, to the power 9 will give you 512, and so on. So in this calculation you see that 2 repeats after every 4 steps. Okay, 2 repeats after every 4 steps. So cyclicity, we can say cyclicity is of to the power any number is 4. If you are able to find out this, so the question becomes, now the question becomes, you need to find the last digit of this number, to the power 66. You will divide this power with 66. Okay, so it will give you 4 4 ones are 1, 16 fours are 44, 16 fours are 64 plus 2. Okay, so remaining is 2. So we will check here. 2 to the power 2 gives 4. Same way 2 to the power 64 will give you last digit 6, and 2 to the power 65 last digit will be 2, and 2 to the power 66 last digit will be 4. Okay, so this is the answer. This will get clear if you move on to the next question. So here you will be given 3 to the power 74. Find out the last digit. Okay, so you need to find out the cyclicity of this number. What is the cyclicity? So 3 to the power 1 gives 3, 3 square 9, 3 to the power 3 will give you 9 threes are 27. You can write in the shortest form, last digit will be 7. Okay, 3 to the power 4 will give you 1. 3 power 5, again 3 ones are 1, 3. Okay, now same way cyclicity of 3 is 4. You will divide 74 with 4. Okay, now 74, 1, 4 ones are 1, remaining is 3, 4 8s are 32 plus 2. So this is remaining is 2. So the last digit will be 3 to the power 2, which is 9. I hope this is clear to you. Let's quickly do one more question. For example, you will be given 7 to the power 58. So first of all, you need to find the cyclicity of this 7. 7 to the power 1 is 7. 7 square will give you 7 to 7, 9. 7 3, 9 sevens, 9 sevens are 63. So 3, 7 fours are 7 threes are 21, 1. 7 fives are 1 into 7, 7. So here we'll see the cyclicity of 7 is also 4. Okay, you will divide 58 by 4. Okay, so it'll give you can divide like this as well. 4 ones are 1, 4 ones are 1, 1 8, 4 fours are 16. So remainder is 2. So, okay, so remainder is 2. Then the last digit will be 9. Okay, another example. If you have given, you need to find out 101 to the power 100. Okay, now in this question you need to focus only on the unit digit, last digit of a number. Okay, of the given number. So 1 to the power 100, 1 to the power 1 is 1, 1 to the power 2 is also 1. So the cyclicity of 1 is 1. So any to the power 1 to the power anything will give you the last digit 1. So last digit will be 1 only. Okay, so last question, 3278 to the power 1237. Okay, so this is the last of this lecture, last question of this lecture. So here you need to focus on the unit digit only. So you need to find out the last digit of this 8 to the power 1237. Okay, so now we will focus the cyclicity of 8, which is 8 to the power 1 gives you 8, 8 to the power 2 will give you 864, so 4, 8 3, 4 8s are 32, 8 4s are 2 8, 2 8s are 16, 6, 8 5s are 8, 48, which is 8 6 are 48, so I have written 8. So cyclicity of 8 is also 4. Okay, now we need to divide this number with 4, so which is 2. Okay, now we need to find out the remainder, which is remaining. Okay, so we'll write 3 here, so we'll write 3 also here, 7 also here, so which will 4 8s are 32 and 4 9s are 36. Okay, so remainder is 1, so 8 to the power 1 will give you the last digit of the given number. So the last digit will be of this question will be 8 only, which is the answer of this question. Okay, I hope this is clear to you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please do like, subscribe and share. This will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much guys.